Hi guys, so today we are diving into the classic Indian dish that's both healthy and incredibly delicious, Palak Paneer. Palak Paneer is beloved vegetarian curry made with spinach and paneer, a fresh Indian cheese. We'll be creating a silky, flavorful gravy with the goodness of spinach and the richness of paneer. It's a perfect combination of health and indulgence. Get ready for a creamy, dreamy and utterly satisfying dish. This dish is perfect for a weeknight dinner, a vegetarian feast, or anytime you are craving a taste of India. I'll guide you through every step from preparing the spinach to making the perfect paneer. So gather your spinach, your paneer and get ready to cook up a restaurant style palak paneer in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more delicious and healthy recipes. So now let's begin. So first keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 250 grams spinach washed and cleaned and simply blanch the spinach for 2 minutes. Blanch means a quick boil for 2 minutes. Then simply strain it. Also make sure to keep the spinach water to use it later. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add 1 tablespoon butter, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and fry it for few seconds. Then add 2 onion chopped, 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger roughly cut, 2 green chilies and fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 2 tomatoes chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then take a mixer jar and simply add the fried onion and tomato mix. Also add the blanched spinach. Then add about half cup spinach water which was previously kept and then blend it to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add 1 tablespoon butter, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and fry the masalas for about 2 minutes. Make sure that the flame is on medium to low or else the masalas will burn. Then add the spinach puree. Add 1 cup spinach water and then give it a nice mix. And then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add some salt to taste. Add 400 grams paneer cut in cubes, 1 stock cube and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it again for about another 2 minutes. So the palak paneer is ready. And there you have it guys, a creamy, dreamy and delicious palak paneer. I hope you enjoyed making this classic Indian dish with me. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your palak paneer turned out. Please do like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tasty and healthy recipes. I hope you and your loved ones will enjoy this palak paneer as much as I do. It's a dish that's both comforting and nutritious, perfect for any occasion. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and share this taste of India. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.